Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unmatch someone on Tinder and report them if needed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, at the bottom of your screen, tap on Chat. This will take you to your conversations where you can see all your matches and ongoing chats. Next, scroll through your chat list and tap on the person you want to unmatch and report. This will open up your conversation thread with that particular match. Once you're in the conversation, look at the upper right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will open a menu with several options for managing this match. Now, before we unmatch, let's start with the report feature. Tap on report from the menu. This is an important step if someone has violated Tinder's community guidelines or made you feel uncomfortable in any way. Reporting helps keep the platform safer for everyone. You'll now see a screen asking what you'd like to report. Review the available options carefully and select the one that best matches your situation, then tap Next. Tinder offers various categories to help you specify the type of issue you're experiencing. On the following screen, you'll need to choose a more specific reason for your report. Select the option that accurately describes what happened and tap Next. Being specific here helps Tinder's moderation team understand the situation better. Now you'll be asked to provide more details about what happened. Choose from the options presented and tap Next again. These additional details give Tinder's team the context they need to take appropriate action. In the next step, you can tell more details about the incident, add any relevant information that might help with the review process, then tap Next. The more information you provide, the better Tinder can address the issue. Finally, tap Submit to send your report. Your report will now be reviewed by Tinder's moderation team, who will take appropriate action based on the information you've provided. Now that you've submitted your report, it's time to unmatch. Go back to the conversation, tap the three dots in the upper right corner again, and this time select Unmatch. This will remove this person from your matches and prevent any further contact. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure. Tap Yes, Unmatch to confirm your decision. Once you do this, the match will be permanently removed from your chat list and you won't see each other's profiles anymore. And that's it. You've successfully reported and unmatched someone on Tinder, ensuring a better and safer experience on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.